In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. First, open the Crunchyroll website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your shows without interruptions. If you're not logged in yet, click login and enter your details, then navigate to the series or movie you want to watch. I recommend opening the episode page and pausing at the very beginning so everything is ready before you go live. A quick note, always follow Crunchyroll's terms of service and only share content in ways that are allowed. You'll also get the best experience with a stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser. Next, switch over to Discord. You can use the desktop app for the smoothest performance, but the browser version works too. Choose the server where you plan to host your watch party. If you don't see the right server, make sure you've joined it ahead of time and that your friends have access to it. Now, join a voice channel on that server. Pick a channel everyone can join and confirm your microphone and speakers are set correctly if you want to talk while streaming. Even if you're not using your mic, joining a voice channel is required for screen sharing. If you get a permissions message, ask a server admin to grant you the ability to stream in that channel. With the voice channel open, click the Share Your Screen button. In the sharing window, select the specific browser tab that has Crunchyroll open. Choosing the tab rather than your entire screen helps keep notifications private and often provides smoother streaming. Before you go live, turn on the audio toggle so your viewers can hear the show. If you see options for resolution and frame rate, pick what your connection can comfortably handle. Higher settings look great, but use more bandwidth. Once you start the stream, return to the Crunchyroll tab and press play. Keep an eye on Discord to make sure your friends can see and hear everything. If anyone mentions lag, lowering the stream resolution can help. If you hear echo, use headphones or mute your mic while the episode plays. And if a video appears black or won't share, be aware that some services limit screen sharing. Always respect platform policies and local laws. When you're done, pause the episode, go back to Discord and click stop streaming. That's it. Crunchyroll is now streaming to your friends on Discord. Enjoy your watch party and have fun.